Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. This is going to be a short video giving you 10 tips to stop using single-use plastic. So I'm going to have 10 quick products that are easy to use to switch your spending habits. None of these are sponsored, so it's all stuff that I buy with my own money. So let's go with number one. First product's the Bar None shampoo bar. It comes in cardboard packaging, and this is all cardboard as well, so the whole packaging is recyclable, no plastic. So basically it's like a soap. I've got a video to this, there'll be a link at the end about how to use this. You basically just rub it together, lather it up in your hands and use it as shampoo, so it avoids plastic bottles. Number two, the partner to the shampoo. This is a conditioner, Bar None conditioner, similar thing, cardboard packaging and just some paper packaging there, so it's all recyclable, no plastic. You lather this up like a shampoo and use it like a normal conditioner. Number three, similar thing. We've just got ordinary soap. This is a Priya brand one. Comes in cardboard packaging, no plastic. Excellent. Number four, some porridge oats in the morning. So these are quick oats. Uncle Toby's, you can use them in the microwave. Comes in a cardboard box, which is recyclable. No plastic in here, it's just the oats by themselves. And just get a measuring cup to measure out your serving size. Put it in the bowl, add milk. There you go. Most cereals have sort of plastic bags inside. That's just got the oats, no plastic. Number five, couscous, similar to the porridge. This just has the couscous in the cardboard packaging, no plastic. Add your boiling water to it, mix it up. Got yourself a healthy meal to go with your salad or cooked veggies or whatever. Number six, got some lasagna sheets here. So again, just cardboard packaging, no plastic. You've got your dried sheets there to make your lasagna in the oven. Number seven, I've just got one example, but the humble whole fruit. So whole fruit, you can either eat the whole thing, or if it's a banana, peel it, and the peel is compostable in your green bin or in your compost bin. So another plastic-free alternative. When you're buying veggies, use your produce bag or just put them loose in the trolley, so you're not buying them in a plastic bag, so it defeats the purpose. Number eight, steel can with some fruit for desserts. So what I'll do is take the fruit out, put it in a reusable jar. So this can stay in the fridge for a week or so. So you're not buying your fruit in plastic jars like a lot of them are available. Buy it in steel cans, which are fully recyclable. Nearly there. Number nine, got some chickpeas here in a steel can, which is fully recyclable. So they're good for curries or salads or other dishes. So fully recyclable steel can. And these ones are made in Australia too, the Edgell brand. Lucky last, number 10, I've got a steel can again. This time I've got some brown lentils, so they're good for curries or vegetarian spaghetti bologneses or whatever. So the steel can's fully recyclable. So you're not buying your goods in plastic. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Just 10 products or types of products you can buy that don't have single-use plastic. It's fairly quick and easy to change your habits at the shopping centre. So it's not really complicated. To switch to these products, so you're not using single-use plastic, reducing wastage, protecting the environment. Some people say plastics are recyclable, but historically only about 10% of plastics are recycled. So a lot of the plastics sent in your recycle bin often end up in landfill anyway. So I think it's good to just avoid using single-use plastic if possible, and just use cardboard packaging or steel cans or glass containers, which are more recyclable than plastic. Don't forget to like the video to support the channel, subscribe to ecopenny and click the bell. And thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video. And cut. That's a wrap. Wrap, people.